Balik. Luto si Kuya Joseph. Pagkaon.
Gusto mo, may dinner. Ma, you see they noticed they changed the counter, Ma?
Yeah.
Ma, you notice, you see that they changed this?
I know.
No, you don't.
Unsa naman ko ala tabirak. Anak, give me I'm gonna sit down in the sun. I'm gonna eat
When I
tabirak.
tell my friends about the berak, they don't know what the berak. They only know it as ginatan.
Oh yeah, kay Bisaya ang tabirak Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Tabirak ni Kuya Joseph oh.
Bisaya. And for the Tagalog,
Loto.
ginatan. Dang, hold on, I gotta take a picture of it too. This is legendary stuff, man.
Anak, bring my tabirak in the sala na ka. I'm gonna go sit down there. Nak, give me tabirak na.
Wait, not even done, Ma.
It's done na, it's done na. It's done. I'm gonna go sit in the sala.
I think I'm right there.
Come here, Papa. My favorite fruits, persimmon. Huy, panganhin na mo din he. Grabe kami ang layo. Monoy nakaanhig kuan. Bye. I'm gonna eat tabirak first, ha. I'm gonna eat tabirak. Snacks. Okay, bye.